Hi everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So as we can see, now I am walking on the look like desert. It's a sandy area and it's called Baluchor. Okay, so as we can see, I take this type of things. So actually, dear friends, I am going to the Brahmaputra river because our rice plants, I will pull out the rice seedlings. So that is why I am going there because our paddy field, I will paddy plant. So that is why I go to there. Okay. So dear friends, as we can see, and I take a towel on my head because today weather very hot, actually sun very sunny day today, and I feel very warm, so that is why I take a gamosa on my head. Okay, and as you know, I am a English beginner learner, so that is why whenever I go to another country, like another different type of place, whenever I go at the time I will make a video. So that is why now I'm making video for learning English purposes. Okay, so actually I think in English every day, and any kind of situation I think in English. Okay, so actually nowadays I can't make any blog video or any kind of practicing video, and this is my own reason. Okay, so I when I make video, a lack of problem, a lack of uh, like a vocabulary problem. I actually our English not good, but I can try my best, and actually I want to be a English good content creator, but I not good in English nowadays. And actually one day I will be able to English good content creator, and this is my hobby and this is my plans, actually future plans. I want to be a good English content creator. Okay, and pray for me and support me. So dear friends, actually English is a most important language, and English is a global language and international language. Okay, so thank you.